Hello everyone. Today we will see which version of Excel we are using, and we will create a new worksheet. We'll name that, we'll rename that worksheet. We will insert another worksheet and how to delete a particular worksheet. So let's start. First of all, open your Excel. When you have one workbook, you will get one worksheet automatically. Okay, if you, for example, you can write anything here, any data, whatever you want to do. If you want another worksheet, then you have to click this plus sign. See, we'll have another worksheet. So if you continue clicking on this sign, plus sign, you will get more and more worksheets. Now if we want to name this worksheet, we can see that uh, the name of this current worksheet is sheet number 1. We have to double click it to name it. uh, we can write new worksheet. Okay, we can click on the second. We can double click, right, second worksheet. So this is how, by double clicking, you can name your worksheet. And if you want to rename any worksheet, then same process. Double click on a particular worksheet and you can rename. Click backspace, then you can write anything you want. So this is how you can name and rename worksheets. Now you want to delete any particular worksheet, then for example, we are deleting this sheet number 3. This worksheet we are going to delete. So click on it, then right click from the mouse, then click delete, and it will be deleted. So this is how we can create, name, rename, and delete worksheets. And now which version of Excel we are using, to know that, go to file, account. You can see we are using currently Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2019 version. That's all for today. Thank you.